So you guys know I love skincare, sheet masks every single day, moisturizer all the dang time. It is just such a thing for me, but I had never tried out dermarolling or really even heard much about it, so I headed over to Caudalie to get the 411. So we are here in Century City at the Caudalie Boutique Spa, and this is Jessica, the esthetician that is going to be performing the service. I'm so excited. So thank you for coming on the show. So can you tell us a little bit about dermarolling?
So Dermaroller uses a roller with nano needles, and it helps to stimulate blood flow. It helps to produce more collagen and elastin in the skin, which we all need. It helps to firm the skin, and it also helps to diminish hyperpigmentation. It also helps to create little channels in the skin, like little micro holes, so when you use it over like an anti-aging serum, it helps to bring the serum deeper into the skin. So almost everybody can benefit from dermarolling.
So is there any pain associated with dermarolling?
I would say you'll feel like a little prickly sensation. I'm used to it now, so you'll get used to it the more you do it, but it's not painful at all. So it's super gentle. You could even do it like every single night.
Wow.
Yes, and you would want to do it at night versus the day because it is going to make your skin more sensitive to the sun.
What size are these needles?
So the needles are varying lengths. The smallest length of the needles would be 0.25. It can go all the way to 1.5. Ours is 0.25. Anything over than that, it's better for a professional to be doing it on you because you can hurt yourself with that. You would just roll it vertically and horizontally on each side of the face. The more you do it, the more benefits you'll see.
Wow, I had so much fun at Caudalie, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating microneedling into my beauty routine now. So tell us what you think of this trend of dermarolling down in the comment section.